Been a long time since you came around. Been a long time, but I'm back in town. But this time I'm not living without you. You taste like whiskey when you kiss me. Oh, I did everything again to be your baby doll. But this time I'm not living without you. I said, sit back down where you belong, in the corner of my bar with your high heels on. Sit back down on the couch where we made love the first time, but you said to me, there's something about this place. Something about lonely nights, my lipstick on my face. Something about my cool Nebraska guy. Yeah, there's something about, baby, you and I.